Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use our new WP SiteSync for WooCommerce extension. This allows you to synchronize data between two sites, like a local site to a staging site, or a staging site to a live site, or a local site to a live site, without needing to take your site down for maintenance. This is really great if you have multiple products that you're going to be updating at once and you want to get them all in and test them thoroughly before you upload them to the new site. With WP SiteSync, it's as easy as a push of a button, and I'm going to show you really quickly how to do that. If you look at my screen, you can see here that I've got a source site right up here, and I've got a target site. So for the fun of it, we're going to pretend like this target site is either a live site or a staging site. And this is the site that you do all your sandbox development on, whether it's a local site or a staging site, but this is where you do all your testing. As you can see, I've got a couple of extensions, plugins installed for WordPress. One is a WP SiteSync for Content, which is an absolutely free plugin that you can get from the repository. With WP SiteSync for Content, it allows you to synchronize individual posts and pages with just the push of a button. This is really handy if you are doing a lot of work with the Gutenberg editor because you don't have to copy individual blocks. You can just upload a whole poster page with just a push of a button. And then we have added the extension here, as you can see, for WP SiteSync for WooCommerce, which is what we are going to be going over really quickly today. So if you go into WooCommerce and you want to add a product, as you can see, I'm on my source site here. If I go to my products and I go to add new, okay, we're going to give this a whole new product name. So we'll call this product Desktop Server, which is our local development platform. And I'm going to write in a quick description here. Okay, and then I'm going to put, we'll go in, we'll just say that the price is 99.97. And we're going to say local development for a tag. We're going to add this. And then we're going to add a new category, software. Okay, we're going to add this as a category. Okay, so we now have a category. And then if we want a short description, we can say local development made easy. Okay, now I can publish this, and I'm going to have this on my local site. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to add a picture. So let's just say that I forgot to add a picture, and I'll show you how cool it is to update too. So now if I go onto the source site, on the target site, if you look at the products, you'll see that currently there are no products. Okay, but now that I've created this desktop server on my source site, let's say that I've done it and I've tested it and everything looks good. All I have to do is click push to target. And in just a second, it'll give you a message that says content successfully sent to target site. So now if I refresh on my target site, boom, there it is. And you'll see everything that I created here is now created here, including that new software category. You can see that I've got my tags, and everything is as it should be, except for, as I mentioned, I forgot to put in a product image. So let's say that I do want to add a product image. Well, let's go to set product image on the source here, and let's upload a file. Let's see here. We're going to go here, and we're going to add a nice little graphic here. And we're going to set this as our product image, okay? Now that I've done that, I can go update. And once I've updated it, I can now push it to target again. Oh, and as you can see, because I am in this product on the target site, it gave me a little error there. So there's no concern about accidentally overwriting something that someone might be working on, although they shouldn't be working on their live site anyway. So if I get out of this and go to all products again, and then I try to push to target again, I should get a confirmation message here pretty quick. Sure enough, content successfully sent. Now if I go here, boom, there it is. So as you can see, pushing content from a source site to a target site has never been easier. The main advantage of this with any of your e-commerce sites is that you don't have any downtime. This will not affect your sales data. It will not affect any comments or reviews or anything else that people might have added to your site while you're working on this. And it makes it super simple to push it up and not cause any problems. Once again, if I wanted to make a few other changes, like let's say I want to put it on sale for $79.97 and update it. Okay, and now I can push to target again. And now if you look, theoretically, we should see that I have pushed the sale price up as well. And there we have it. So that's it. It's as simple as that. And you're done. Boom shakalaka. It's as easy as that. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.